Hello, and welcome to Learn English Podcast 360. This is your space to listen, repeat, and speak English clearly and confidently. In this episode, we'll go through 120 daily routine sentences, perfect for beginners who want to understand, speak, and think in English. You will hear each sentence twice, first to listen, then to repeat. This slow practice will help you speak naturally, one sentence at a time. Let's begin with the morning. Part 1. Morning Routine. Let's start the day with calm, simple English. Repeat slowly after me. I open my eyes and turn off the alarm. I sit up in bed and take a deep breath. I stretch my neck and shoulders. I look out the window and check the weather. I fold my blanket and fix my pillow. I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I rinse my face with warm water. I brush my teeth for 2 full minutes. I dry my face with a soft towel. I look in the mirror and smile at myself. I put on clean clothes for the day. I comb my hair slowly. I check my phone for messages. I reply to a short text. I go to the kitchen and drink a glass of water. I turn on the lights in the living room. I open the windows to let in fresh air. I play soft music to start the day. I warm up my body with some stretches. I do 10 jumping jacks. I sit down and write my to-do list. I make a cup of tea. I eat a banana for a quick breakfast. I toast some bread and add butter. I boil an egg and peel it carefully. I clean the kitchen counter. I check my bag to make sure I have everything. I put on my shoes and tie the laces. I grab my keys and wallet. I put on a light jacket. I lock the door behind me. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus and check the time. I see the bus coming. I get on the bus and find a seat. I say hello to the driver. I look out the window during the ride. I listen to a short podcast. I take a few deep breaths to relax. I feel ready to start the day. Part 2. Midday and Afternoon Routine. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. This is when many people work, study, or take care of things. Let's practice together. I arrive at work around 9 o'clock. I turn on my computer and check the time. I write down my goals for the day. I organize my desk before starting work. I attend a short online meeting. I take notes and ask a few questions. I work on one task at a time. I stay focused and try not to get distracted. I take a short break every hour. I stand up and stretch my back. I walk around the office for a minute. I drink some water to stay fresh. I check my calendar for meetings. I join a video call with my team. I speak clearly and listen carefully. I eat a light lunch at noon. I wash my hands before eating. I talk with my coworker during lunch. I check my phone for updates. I reply to a few messages. I open a new file to start a report. I print a document for my boss. I pick up a phone call from a client. I speak politely and ask questions. I finish a task and take a short rest. I open a window to let in fresh air. I review my notes before the next task. I finish work in the late afternoon. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I pack up my things and turn off my screen. I leave the office and walk to the station. I wait for the train and check my bag. I get on the train and find a seat. I listen to calm music on the way home. I close my eyes for a short rest. Part 3. Evening and Night Routine. Let's end the day with simple English. Evening is a good time to reflect and relax. I turn off my laptop and stand up to stretch. I walk to the kitchen to make some tea. I sit quietly and enjoy the warm drink. I water the plants and check on my room. I talk with my family about the day. I take a short walk around the neighborhood. I listen to music while walking. I come back home and turn on soft lights. I write down one good thing about today. I wash my hands before dinner. I help set the table. I eat dinner with my family. I talk about tomorrow's plans. I clear the table after eating. I wash the dishes with warm water. I put leftovers in the fridge. I turn off the kitchen lights. I take a warm shower and feel relaxed. I put on clean pajamas. I brush my hair slowly. I sit on the sofa and watch a short video. I check my phone one last time. I turn off notifications. I set an alarm for the morning. I turn off the main lights. I leave a small lamp on. I check the windows and lock the door. I get into bed and pull up the blanket. I close my eyes and think happy thoughts. I breathe slowly and feel calm. I fall asleep peacefully. Speaking practice, quick review. Let's practice a few sentences. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I leave the house. I take the bus. I go to work. I eat lunch at noon. I talk to my coworkers. I come home. I cook dinner. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I leave the house. I take the bus. I go to work. I eat lunch at noon. I talk to my coworkers. I come home. I cook dinner. I read a book. I go to bed at 10 p.m. You did a great job today. You listened, repeated, and practiced 120 real English sentences. These are sentences you can use every day, at home, at work, or with friends. Remember, speak slowly. Use simple words. Don't worry about being perfect. Come back and listen again. Shadow my voice. Build your English, one sentence at a time. Thanks for learning with me. See you in the next episode of Learn English Podcast 360. Bye for now.